Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of only Fenty beauty. I kind of went crazy and I bought like one of everything from the entire brand. So we're going to be doing everything from bronzer to body lava to primer, everything. So if you are interested in how I'm going to be doing this and what my first impressions are of all of these products, make sure to stay tuned and check out the rest of the video. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with the primer. So I am going to start with the Fenty Beauty Soft Silk Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. I'm going to put some onto my forehead. This feels a lot like a moisturizer, so it's not too crazy thin, but I honestly really like that. So once I have done that, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation, and I got the shade 280. So I am gonna take this on the Beauty Blender. I actually really love this. This looks really good. Okay, I officially look tan and the rest of me is not. I think I got everything. Looks blended out. This looks awesome. And I don't know what I did, but I have black all over my hand. I think this eyeshadow palette that I'm using is leaking somewhere, but that's okay. We're gonna keep going. So next, I am gonna use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer, and this is in the shade 230. So I am gonna go ahead and put this on all of the points of my face that I wanna highlight. So I am gonna blend all of this out. My blend out. So the concealer I like too. But next, I am gonna go in with the brand new, I already got it dirty, the brand new Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer, and this is in the shade 5 Teddy. So this is one of the darker shades. This is what it looks like inside. So it is pretty dark. But I'm just gonna take this on my Beauty Blender, and I'm going to try to give myself a little bit more of a natural contour rather than like a really strong, harsh line. So I'm going to take my Beauty Blender, dab it in there. Oh my god. Love it already. I'm obsessed. Sorry. I'm obsessed. I am going to be taking the brand new Fenty Beauty, what is this? The Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush in number 5 Strawberry Drip. I'm obsessed with corally peachy colored blushes. So I'm gonna take the side of my Beauty Blender that I didn't dip the bronzer in. okay, I want to look flushed. All right, another product that I absolutely love. It just went on so easy and it blended into everything so easily. Next, we are going to be moving on to the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Setting Powder. So I'm gonna open it up. Oh, I got this in the shade Butter. Oh my god, this is so cute. Adorable. Not gonna use it, but it's adorable. I am gonna use this. This smells like butter. It actually did a pretty good job of setting my face, and honestly, I'm not gonna say it's better because I'm still ride or die for my Charlotte Tilbury, but this stuff is good. Guys, so far so good. I don't know why and I don't know how I haven't tried Fenty products by now. I am loving everything. All right, moving on. I am going in to the Stalk'r Instant Warmth Bronzer. Okay, so I do like this. Is it my favorite bronzer? No, but I do like it. I think it looks really nice. So moving on to highlighter, I got the Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo in Mean Money and Hustla Baby. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna do this shade, the sparklier shade. I'm gonna take my highlighting brush and I'm gonna apply, oh my god. Oh my god. I'm in love. I'm in love. Rihanna, what are you doing to me? Oh my god. Ah. Oh my god. I could literally wear this all day, every day. This is the most beautiful highlight color ever. Oh my goodness. Next, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Eye Primer. Okie dokie, I am going to set my eyes and do my eyes with this Fenty Beauty 5 Snap Shadows Mix and Match eyeshadow palette in the shade Peach. I love peach. I think I'm just gonna go into my lid with this top left shade, and I'm gonna take a more compact brush and just So I just put my eyebrows on, and I'm finished with the eyeshadow. I actually really like this palette. The only thing about it was that online it looked a little bigger. It's really, really tiny. So that's the only thing I was kind of surprised about, but this kind of would be a perfect size if you're traveling. So now that I'm done with that and I put my eyebrows on, I'm gonna take the Fly Liner. I really like this stuff. It's a really good eyeliner and it comes on really easy, so this is another good product. And then I am going to go in with the mascara. This is the Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. So we will see. I'm very picky about mascaras, so I'm hoping that this one is good too. So as far as the mascara goes, I really like it. It made my eyelashes nice and black. I'm still ride or die for my Benefit Roller Lash mascara, but this one is also really good. So, okay, so now that I have applied my lashes, I am gonna go ahead and use this Baby What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray. Guys, this is actually awesome. But next, we are going to go in with the Istana Lip Paint in Unbutton. I was really surprised at how big these are. I thought this was gonna come in way smaller. So I was really happy when I saw how big this was. And it's heavy, so you know it's good quality packaging. Okay, so this is a pretty color, but now that I've put that on, I'm gonna go in with this lip gloss. I already have used this a million times and it's my favorite lip gloss on the market. It's the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in Fenty Glow. So I'm just gonna put this in the middle. But it just gives your lips this beautiful, it's like glass. That's like the best way to describe it. It's so beautiful. And then last but not least, they are the Fenty Body Lavas. Both of them are so beautiful. I might not put this one on though. I think I'm gonna stick with this one because I am pretty pale right now. Not that it matters, I just feel like this one might look a little bit better. And I have this brush. It's the 160 Face and Body Brush. I'm just gonna... So I put on that Who Needs Clothes Body Lava. This is what it looks like. I'm super glowy. That one is a little bit lighter. It's the champagne color, and then there's like a bronzy darker color. They are kind of sticky though, so they'll stick to your clothes. If you don't like that, I wouldn't recommend it. I don't mind it though, because if I'm wearing something like this, it's probably not getting on my clothes anyways. So I really love that, and it smells really good. The next thing I'm gonna go in with is this puff. I've used this before too. There's something inside of it that has glitter, and it's so nice. So I'm just gonna put this all over my chest. So if you want two products to make your body look really shimmery for the summer, I would definitely go with those two. All right, you guys, this is the finished look after I've put everything on, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I seriously can't believe how amazing all of these products ended up being. I literally can't believe that I didn't try more Fenty Beauty products in the past. I don't honestly know why I didn't. But I'm so happy that I did now. I'm really excited about everything, especially the brand new cream bronzer. I think that's my favorite of all the products. It is so beautiful. If you can get it, go get it. But they're all such good products. I'm so pleasantly surprised at how amazing this brand is and how great all of these products were. So I'm really happy that I decided to do this video. So I highly recommend, if you're looking for something, the Sephora sale is still going on, so get it while it's on sale. But everything was really good. If you're looking for a good brand to shop for that's not crazy expensive, I would go with Fenty Beauty because I am insanely happy. If you liked this video, make sure to like, comment, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Show me some love so I know to keep making videos for you guys, and stay tuned for the next one.